All right, we got 4 pipes in the ground, and I'm going to show you guys how to backfill. So you just want to take some stone, just the 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch is what I recommend for this. Now there's 4 pipes in the trench. The water's just going to move right through the 4 pipes because of the monster inlets. You can see how big the inlets are on the high octane. There's over 17 inches squared of inlet in 1 linear foot of that pipe, which is just sick, and it's crazy strong. And to make it even stronger, we're going to take this quad pack and backfill it with this 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch stone. Doesn't matter if you hit the high octane with the shovel, it's not going to hurt it. This is the strongest single wall pipe in the world. You're not going to find a stronger single wall pipe. Takes in more water. I can't believe the things we can now do in yard drains because we have this pipe. Thank you, Boffman Tile Company, and all the good people, all the employees that work really, really hard to get the job done. We appreciate you. Thank you. So as the stone surrounds, I like the 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch because it just works its way all around the pipe. It just locks it up. We already know this pipe is crazy strong. It's not going anywhere. You know, Marcelo, he's raking the stone around. Don't worry, the pipe is really, really strong. He's making sure that there's plenty of stone packed around these 2 pipes. This is the right way to backfill a quad pack. You don't put the dirt back in. If the dirt was that great, you wouldn't be there to begin with. If the dirt was so good that water just ran right through it, that you could put it on your yard drain, you probably wouldn't have a yard drainage problem. So we haul out all the dirt and we replace the dirt that we haul out with a quad pack of high octane and some 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch stone. And I don't even care if it's dirty anymore. I used to, you know, I'm so used to wash stone my whole career. Now that nobody wants to wash stone anymore because it's so expensive, the inlets are so big in the high octane, the dirt just goes right through the pipe and it just washes right out. Like the first few rains, it's crazy dirty, almost muddy. I mean, it just washes the dirt right out. Because we lay our pipes right on the bottom of the trench. Reason why we lay our pipes right on the bottom of the trench, we don't want any water hanging around. Trees can sniff that out. Then your drain is compromised. It works a little less every year until one day it don't work at all. All that hard work for nothing. Why? Because you left water in the bottom of the trench. So there's no deflection. You know, the pipe doesn't deflect. You can dump stone on this quad pack. You could walk on it with your heels to pack the stone around it. It's not going to hurt it. Simply the strongest pipe in the world, and nothing has as much inlet. Nothing. Purpose-built pipe. So while we continue to load this trench, we're loading the trench right now. The water's just going right through this quad pack, going right to the bottom of the trench. We got 2 pipes underneath the 2 that you see. There's 4 pipes in this trench. See? Quad pack. More void than stone. Moves more water than stone. Only the high octane can do that. Only the high octane. everything is a distant second to the Baughman Royal Blue High Octane. Love it. All right, guys, until the next video.